Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the watch face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. Use a bracelet block to support the band and align a removable link arrow toward you. Once done, select the correct pin pusher or the forked end of a spring bar tool and place it on the pin head. Press firmly and tap gently with the small hammer until the pin moves. You're now ready to withdraw the pin with needle nose pliers and separate the link. You continue by deciding how many links to remove and always remove symmetrically when possible. Once a pin is exposed, pull it out straight to avoid bending. If it resists, reverse the band and push from the opposite side. Make sure to preserve spacer tubes or sleeves if present. After each removal, reconnect the bracelet temporarily to check fit. If the band is still loose, remove another link. If tight, reinstall the last pin. Keep all hardware organized for final assembly. You finish by aligning the link holes and inserting pins straight, not at an angle, then tap them flush so they sit flush with the link. Once links are reconnected, reinstall spring bars to attach the watch head if removed, and verify the clasp aligns and closes smoothly. Make sure the watch sits comfortably and the links are even. If a pin feels loose or the clasp misaligns, replace the pin or adjust link order before regular wear. This prevents loss or damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.